Hi, I'm David Carter, STEM Training Director for Vernier Software Technology, and I would like to show you a new feature in our Graphical Analysis Pro software. It's called data sharing, and it allows you to collect data in real time and share with others over the internet. Maybe you are sharing with the students you're doing in a virtual environment. For our student today, my daughter Olivia has agreed to serve in that role, and so what I will be doing is collecting data, and I'm going to be collecting data using my cell phone. So I've got my cell phone, and I'm going to be using just a hand dynamometer just to get some data. It's just grip strength. But I will be doing it where I'm collecting on the phone. My phone will be data sharing to my computer, so I'll show you how that works. But then we're also going to see what the data looks like on Olivia's computer, and she is elsewhere, so she's not here with me right now. And so what I need to do is start a data sharing session. And the way this works is that on my phone, you'll see the little icon right here. And when I tap there on the phone, it says start session. And so I'm going to tap start session. And that ID code is what a student would type into the Graphical Analysis Pro to be able to do the data sharing. So I'm going to come up here where it says Untitled, click there and say New Experiment. And I'm going to go to data sharing. And this is where I need to type in that code. And so I need to do this. I'm going to type it in. So A, B, C. Okay, so I'm typing in the code. I hit connect. And so what you see there is that I'm now connected to the force sensor. And so let me come there. And so the small screen is the actual device I would be collecting the data on, and then you'll see it come out in the background on the one on the computer. So I hit collect, and then if I start to squeeze, I'm squeezing, but you see how they're both going there together? And so that's actually connected over the internet there. So, and then maybe I come back down, I get tired, and I hit stop. And so now I've shared over the internet to myself. And but what we want to do is we want to let Olivia display her screen so we can do that. So I'll stop sharing my screen, and then she's going to share her screen. So she's already typed in that code, and so you see the same data there. So as the teacher, I might say, well, let's look at this, and I might ask her to analyze the data, and I say, well, at what point was I the strongest, and what point in time? And so maybe she can find a point up there someplace. Maybe she scrolls back and forth a little bit to figure that out, you know. And so she's analyzing the data that I have sent her. And so this is a really interesting tool to be able to use in a virtual environment. So it's a great tool to have right now. So if you're interested in this, you can go to Vernier.com. We have a 30-day trial for Graphical Analysis Pro. And so go get it and check it out for yourself.